Imagine retiring by 40 while living life entirely on your terms. Sounds impossible? It's not. Many people are achieving this dream with the FIRE movement, financial independence, retire early. In this video, I'll guide you through the practical steps to achieve financial independence and retire early. Whether you're just starting out or already on your journey, these tips will help you get there faster. And hey, if you're excited about living a financially free life, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below about your financial goals. Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the FIRE movement. So, what exactly is the FIRE movement? It stands for Financial Independence, Retire Early. The idea is simple. Save aggressively, invest wisely, and live frugally so you can build enough wealth to retire decades before the traditional age. Now, let's talk about the different types of FIRE. First, there's lean FIRE, which is about living a minimalist lifestyle and keeping expenses very low. Then, there's fat FIRE, which focuses on building higher savings for a more comfortable retirement. And finally, there's Barista FIRE, where you achieve semi-retirement by working part-time to supplement your savings. Here's a pro tip. Choose the FIRE approach that best fits your lifestyle and financial goals. The journey is yours to customize. Step 2. Calculate your FIRE number. To retire early, you first need to figure out your FIRE number. This is the amount of money you'll need to cover your annual expenses for the rest of your life. The calculation is simple. Take your yearly expenses and multiply them by 25. That's your FIRE number. For example, if you need $40,000 a year to live, your FIRE number would be $1 million. This is based on the 4% rule, which suggests that you can safely withdraw 4% of your investments annually without running out of money. Don't worry if that number feels overwhelming at first. The key is to break it down into smaller goals and work toward it step by step. You can even use online FIRE calculators to make it easier and more personalized. Step 3. Slash expenses and save aggressively. Next up, saving aggressively. The faster you save, the sooner you can achieve financial independence. Start by cutting expenses in the areas where most people overspend. For housing, consider downsizing or even house hacking, like renting out a spare room to offset costs. For transportation, avoid flashy cars and stick to reliable, used vehicles or public transport. And for food, cooking at home can save you thousands compared to eating out. The goal here is to save as much as 50 to 70% of your income. Yes, it's ambitious, but the sacrifices now will pay off big time later. Here's a pro tip. Automate your savings so you don't even have to think about it. Set up automatic transfers into a high-yield savings account or an investment portfolio. It's like paying your future self first. Step 4. Invest strategically. Now that you're saving aggressively, it's time to put that money to work. Investing strategically is the secret sauce of the FIRE movement. One of the easiest and most effective ways to invest is through low-cost index funds like those tracking the S&P 500. These funds offer diversification and long-term growth with minimal effort. Want to diversify further? Consider real estate for passive rental income, ETFs for broader market exposure, and dividend-paying stocks for steady cash flow. Each of these options can help you build wealth faster. And here's the magic of investing: compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Even small contributions can snowball into a significant nest egg over time. Here's a pro tip. Take advantage of tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs or 401ks. Not only will you save on taxes, but you'll also supercharge your investment growth. Step 5. Build multiple income streams. To achieve FIRE. Even faster, don't rely on just one source of income. Building multiple income streams is a game changer. Passive income is key here. This could include rental income from properties, dividends from stocks, or even royalties from creative projects. The idea is to make your money work for you, even while you sleep. And don't forget about side hustles. Freelancing, selling digital products, or starting an online business can significantly boost your savings rate. The extra income you earn can be invested or saved to hit your FIRE number even faster. Here's a pro tip. Focus on income streams that align with your skills and interests. This way, the process feels less like work and more like building your dream lifestyle. Step 6. Track your progress and stay motivated. Now, the final step, tracking your progress and staying motivated. Achieving financial independence isn't an overnight journey, so it's important to celebrate your wins along the way. Use budgeting apps like Mint or YNAB to monitor your spending and saving habits. For investments, tools like Personal Capital can help you keep track of your portfolio and ensure you're on target to hit your FIRE number. And don't forget to break your big FIRE goal into smaller milestones. Each time you hit one, like saving your first $100,000 or paying off a debt, take a moment to celebrate. These small wins will keep you energized and focused. Here's a pro tip. Join FIRE communities online or in your local area. Surrounding yourself with like-minded people can provide inspiration, support, and even new ideas to accelerate your journey. To recap, the path to financial independence and early retirement involves understanding the FIRE movement, calculating your FIRE number, saving aggressively, investing strategically, building multiple income streams, and staying on track. Yes, it takes discipline and effort, but the reward, freedom to live life on your terms, is worth every bit of it. Now, it's your turn. Which of these steps are you most excited to start? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips on financial freedom, and share this video with anyone who dreams of retiring early. Let's build a future where you're in control.